Hi, my name is Andres Arias. I am studying business administration. My group for English 2 is 110. I live in Soacha, Cundinamarca, but I'm from Villavicencio. I am 31 years old. I like English, and this is my oral presentation of my trip experience in Cartagena, the weather, and 8 recommendations related to my visited place. Okay, this is the link presentation. In stage 1, experience of a trip in Cartagena. Last month I went to Cartagena. I stayed there for a week and I went with my girlfriend. I like it because it was cheap. I just paid 1 million pesos. I like it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to the Central Park and to the Castle of San Felipe, and I liked it a lot. I come back at home 5 days ago because I started working last Monday. In stage 2, the weather in Cartagena. The weather in Cartagena is warm all day. In the afternoon, it is usually breezy, and in the night, it is more cool. 8 tips or recommendations related to what to do in Cartagena. It is recommended that people wear fresh clothes during the day. It is important that people are well hydrated during the day. It is recommended that children do not expose to the sun for a long time. It is necessary that people wear sunglasses with filters to take care of their eyes. It is advisable that you use solar blockers at the beach. It is better that you turn on the air conditioner in the night for sleep. It is important that you do not go to the street if the sun is strong. It is essential that people use great hats to avoid the sun. In stage 3, advice related to what people should or shouldn't do in Cartagena. What you should do? People should go to the clock tower in Cartagena, Indias. And what you should do? People should bathe in the dock of the Pegasus in Cartagena. Okay, thank you very much.